welcome to the channel. This lens comes as a surprise in some tests. Then my curiosity always gets triggered, especially since the price of this one is not high. Still, it is a bit disappointing. Wide open at 1.7, the center is not sharp. Of course, if you stop down, everything gets better. I don't know. It's not a bad lens, but it just doesn't feel good enough. With some lenses, everything is so easy. Here, you have to work really hard to achieve results, which is not impossible. Good to have tested a Yashica